Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss about the Greek word arete. In the 5th century, the Greek were divided in autonomous city-states. These states, led by Athens, did a battle with the Persian on land and sea for 50 years. Over those 5 decades, the Persian often outnumbers the Greek by thousands. But as the Persian war drew to closer, the victory was the Greece. While the Persians drove their enslaved soldiers to combat at the end of the whips, and the Greeks fought for their land and freedom on their own accord. They rely on each other's, their fellow men, and their belief in excellence in all things as a virtue. It was here, in the aftermath of the battle in a town called Athens, democracy was born more than 25 centuries ago. Inherited in this new system of government, where virtue forged on the battlefield, democracy was born from the idea that every man should have a stake in his own governance, equal, important. To this idea was a belief that while all men have great potential, all potential must be refined. This crucial sentiment is captured by the Greek virtue of arete. But simply, arete entails excellence in all things, and the Greeks are represent the highest way of living. To practice arete was to strive to achieve your highest human potential, to be the best soldier, scholar, politician you can possibly be. There is no equivalent for the word arete in English. It's a virtue. It's not a modern, but the oldest sense of words, excellent, with no moral sense necessarily attached to it. Everything the Greeks said has used a function, virtue of which it is capable. Take things as different as a knife, an eye, a doctor. Each of them has used and is capable of virtue. A knife to cut, an eye to see, a doctor to keep or make us well. Their virtue is achieved when they fulfill their use and function. Capacity, he has done the job in question well, but this not enough. A man is more than a citizen, a parent, children, a person with an occupation. He is also a human being, and that capacity is too capable of virtue. A human being has body and intellect and character, and his business to make the most of each of those. See that all three are developed to the excellence of which they are capable. Used rightly, used to full. He must aim at arete, at virtue in all. Thanks for listening to this channel. You have a great day.